It's Monday. You're back from a week away, and you open your inbox to 247 unread. Somewhere in that pile is the one message that actually needed you on Wednesday, and you have no idea which one it is. So before you start scrolling, you open your assistant and type one line. Notice what you didn't type, not summarize my inbox. That just hands you a flat list of all 247, equally useless. You told it the goal, what I missed, and draft replies to anything that needs an answer. But it can't touch your email until you let it, and connecting your inbox isn't one big switch. It's a set of them, and you decide which ones flip on. Let it read your inbox, yes. Let it send messages on your behalf. No, that one stays off. It can look, it can't act. And remember what we said last time. It wasn't watching your inbox while you were gone. The moment you connect it and ask, that's when it looks. A fresh chat is a fresh desk. Now watch what 5 minutes buys you. 247 messages collapse into 3 plain bullets. What actually happened while you were out? The first bullet, finance approved the budget. Nothing for you to do. The second, a client moved the kickoff a week. And the third, the one you'd have missed, a deadline this Wednesday. Underneath, the replies are already written for the few that need one. And there, pulled to the top, the deadline you would have walked right past. But look closely at what it did not do. It wrote the replies. It did not send them. The drafts are ready, and the send button is yours. It can sit at the keyboard. It can't reach across and press send. That line is yours to cross every single time. So connect it with your eyes open. Let it read, let it draft, and keep the last click for yourself. Next time, that 40-message thread where the real decision is hiding, and the 30-second move that finds it without reading the whole thing.